Okay, so I wanted to do an overview of our 6-pump filler. Unlike our ingredient filler, this filler utilizes all 6 pumps at the same time. So we have six 6-liter pumps in here, 6 nozzles, and 6 columns. So what this will do is actually fill up one whole row all at the same time. It'll make your fill speed 6 times quicker than if it was just a single pump. This system, you can control the distance individually for every pump and the reverse fill individually for every pump. You can also run just one pump, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Let's go ahead and just kind of look at the user interface. I'm just going to use my laptop for this, but you can put in a fill speed here. The fill speed will work on all the pumps, and actually if you have a fill volume that's greater than the others, it'll kind of calculate it itself so they all end at the exact same time. So there's no issue there of something not getting filled all the way. So right here you would change your fill volumes for pumps 1 through 3. Same thing for pumps 4 through 6. Then your reverse fills are right here for 1 through 3 and 4 through 6. You have your travel feed rate. That's how fast it's going to move row to row. Then you have a nozzle distance. Now this is still in just in case you ever did want to run this with 4 nozzles versus 6 or 2. So it would just do 2, 4, 6, and it kind of still moves rows and columns. For this demonstration, we're just going to move row to row though. So you do still have a nozzle distance in this user interface. A bottle count, basically bottle count for this particular filler is row count because we're filling up the whole rows. We have a row quantity, so our row quantity is 6 as well. Row distance, so from the center of this row to the center of this row is 40 millimeters. Then we have a column quantity. I have that as 1 because we are filling up all 6 columns here, so we just have one big column. Again, if we were having 2 nozzles on here, we'd have 3 columns. So 2 nozzles, 2 nozzles, 2 nozzles. Alrighty, and then column distance, I just have that at 0 as well. Let's go ahead. I'm going to start this thing. And you can see actually my fill volumes are different on a lot of these. So I'm running 5, 5, 5, 50, 50, 10. So that way you could kind of see how the pumps act even though they're different fill volumes. Let me go ahead and start this here. So you can see it's going to fill all 6 bottles at the exact same time for each row. You can see the pumps all moving at different speeds because I do have different distances in there for every pump, or for a few of them anyway. And that was kind of more of just a demonstration. Let me just also demonstrate if I have all the fill volumes pretty close to the same, because most of the time it will. So I'm just going to change these bottom ones just a hair here. So we have a fill volume of 555 all at the top, and then these guys we have 5.2, 5.1, 5.3, because those 3 pumps are just a little under and a little over, so that's kind of just to get it better calibrated. Reverse fills, those are all close enough. Let's go ahead and start this cycle, and you'll see all the pumps kind of moving in sync when the distances are the same. So you can see if we were actually running this, that's 5 milliliters right there, and we filled 36 bottles with 5 milliliters. Let's go ahead and make it more real time though. I'm going to make all these a 30 for 30 milliliters. And this is kind of more what you'll see if you're filling a 1-ounce bottle or something. I'll also just drop our speed to 1500. Which usually I run syrups and stuff 1500 to 1800. I'm going to go ahead and hit start cycle. And this is kind of the speed you're looking at to fill 36 bottles with 36 bottles with 30 milliliters of fluid. Pretty thick fluid at this rate. And there you go. So all 36 bottles would be filled up. You just go ahead and take out your tray and load in your next tray, and you're ready to rock. You'd then go to your user interface. You could use your laptop or the control panels that usually come with the system, and you're good to go. You just hit cycle start and on to the next. If you have any questions or would like one of these fillers, please go to www.rockymountainplc.com and we'd be more than happy to help you out. Thank you and have a great day.